Yelling out for her dad is one way Bella Sigmon continues to search for him. 44-year-old Ernie Sigmon III went out fishing on Wednesday, December 29th. His 25-foot sportsman was found on the bay off of Plum Point in Calvert County, but he is still missing.
If he is on land and he hears me, I'm thinking that it'll give him a little bit more fight.
The water temperature was in the 40s that day, but family isn't giving up hope or leaving a stone unturned.
I just can't imagine my dad struggling to do anything. So I think I think there's a possibility he made it. We're looking everywhere that we can under the assumption that he is somewhere, maybe just really cold or confused.
Bay Bulletin joined Sigmon's mom, dad, and stepmom and 2 kids when they gathered at Flag Ponds Nature Park in Lusby. The icy trails and having to walk through water didn't stop them. Why did you come to this area?
We're just working our way south. The Coast Guard and the Maryland State Police provided us a general line of drift that they would expect to occur when someone is trying to swim to shore. So approximately 2 miles offshore with, up close to 5-mile-an-hour wind south.
They looked through the windows of a building before reaching the beach and in porta potties, in and around the ponds, and with binoculars scanning the water.
Being out here helps us. It helps us to cope with what's actually going on.
And the family has hundreds of people helping them on foot, covering shorelines from Deal to the mouth of the Potomac River, and online through the Facebook page SOMD Search Parties, which now has more than 8,000 followers. Volunteers are on boat, on land, and under their drones.
It's Ernie. If anybody ever knew him, he has a heart as big as a mountain.
People have prayed, people have posted flyers.
Just call me, Bo.
The family divides up to search as they feel government agencies should be doing more. But a spokeswoman for Maryland Natural Resources Police says police have been searching every single day since becoming aware of this incident. She adds they have used every available resource to assist them with this search, such as sonar equipment, boat crews, and allied agencies. Sigmon's son showed us a picture of a planer that was found several miles south of where his dad's boat was located. It helped his dad organize his fishing lines. He believes it may be one clue with what happened.
He was working on the planer boards, trying to get them out. He stands on the side of the boat when he does it, because you have to, and then he either lost his balance or, a rogue wave, like just a little cap came out of nowhere in the middle of the bay.
Sigmon was alone, and his son says likely not wearing a life jacket, but he was a skilled fisherman and on his new boat several times a week. Community, the family says, is one good thing coming from their constant worry of where's Ernie.
I hope that down the road we can help families, other families, and just hopefully we can do whatever they could as much as what people have done for us.
By bringing people together.
Amen.
We're not going to stop looking until we find him, and he would do that for us.
For Chesapeake Bay Media's Bay Bulletin, I'm Cheryl Costello.